We have Geovany Diaz, who's out in Long Island. Geo, Long Island's going to be an area that could pick up 3 to 5 inches. How are they preparing?
Hey Mike, yeah, good morning to you. And that's the reason why officials here on Long Island want to make sure that people can get from point A to point B safely, because as you mentioned, we're expecting to experience some below freezing temperatures over the next few days. So the roads here can get quite slippery. Now, that system that's headed our way is expected to bring some decent amount of snow here. So that's an issue in itself. But then as the temperatures go up just a little bit, that snow will melt, which could be frozen on the ground. Long Island is expected to get a good chunk of the snow this weekend. Right now we are under a winter weather advisory that goes until tomorrow. So folks out here are bracing for the chill. Take a listen. How are you enjoying the weather?
It's too cold, too early as far as I'm concerned. That's why I'm here bright and early so I can do the outside and then enjoy the snow inside.
Miss Lauren knows best. So what can you expect if you're here on Long Island? Well, tonight you will see the rain that's going to turn into snow, so be aware of slick roads. Tomorrow the snow will be over, but icy roads will stay, along with wind chills in the teens. I get the shivers just saying that out loud. And as you head out the door, pay attention to icy patches and make sure you're slowing down. And we are expecting to hear from Nassau County officials later this morning to see what else they have planning as we experience this winter weather over the next few days. Reporting live here in Hempstead this morning, I'm Geovany Diaz, Pix 11 News.